Today we'll talk about a phrase which many of you might not have heard of. It's a bit weird, but is very powerful. If you pay close attention, understand it well, and start implementing it in your life, it can really change your life for good and make you a very smart person. The phrase is eating the frog. Yes, you heard it right. Eating the frog. Don't worry, eating the frog doesn't mean you have to eat the real frog. Instead, it has a much deeper meaning. So let's dive. We all can imagine that eating the frog is not going to be a pleasant experience, right? So the phrase eating the frog means doing the most challenging or unpleasant task of your day first thing in the morning. And why should we do that? Well, once you have done the hardest task, once you have eaten your frog, the rest of the day seems so much easier in comparison. It's natural for us, humans, to avoid doing the tough task, like getting up in time, doing homework, or studying some difficult subject, like math. But once you have completed this challenging task, the rest of the day seems pleasant and we feel great about it the whole day. Otherwise, we spend the whole day in misery just thinking about this unpleasant pending task at hand. Now let's understand, where did this phrase come from? The etymology or origin of this phrase is not 100% certain, but it is believed that Mark Twain, a famous American writer who lived over 100 years ago, once said, "If it's your job to eat a frog, it's best to do it first thing in the morning. And if it's your job to eat two frogs, it's best to eat the biggest one first." Some of the examples of this phrase are: I don't enjoy math homework, but I've decided to start eating the frog and doing it first thing after my school. My dad taught me that eating the frog means cleaning my room before going out to play, so I have the rest of the day to have fun. Third, I was nervous about my science project, but my teacher suggested me to eat the frog and work on it first thing in the morning. Now it's finished and I feel so much better. So here you have it. Eating the frog doesn't have anything to do with your breakfast menu. It's all about conquering your biggest challenges right at the start of the day. Remember, when you hear strange idioms like this one, there's often a fascinating story and a valuable lesson hidden inside. That's all for today's word adventure. Remember to keep exploring, keep learning, and maybe even try eating your frog tomorrow morning. Until next time, don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to Kaizen Microlessons for more such exciting word adventures. Stay curious.